Hi friends, welcome to RBWM, the and the regular sessions. Okay, so as you all know, we are covering the RBW in this session. What do we cover? We cover all the objective questions for the RBWM, various module wise. Okay, so follow the series till the end. Follow the series till the end. Okay, let's start. Yeah, yeah. So let's start. Yeah. Oh, one second. Yeah, everyone knows this portion of yours. What all are the subjects? Indian economy and Indian financial system, principles and practices of banking, accounting and financial management for bankers, and RBWM. So you must know, all of you must first know the complete portion. Otherwise, what happens? You'll go on studying, and you won't know the portion at the, then it's a problem for you, right? So that's why this portion is of utmost importance for you. You all must know this. Okay? Chalo. Let me start with this. Hold on. In AFM, remember you have many numericals. AFM as well as in RBWM. In RBWM also you'll be having the numericals. Okay. Chalo. Let's start with today's topic. We'll be doing the objective questions over here. Okay. One sec. So let's start with this May series for achievers. Okay, MCQ series module A we are in right now. So let's move on. First one. A retail business model is built on dash in geography based approach. A retail business model is based on dash in geography based approach. What can be the answer over here? Think over it. Think over it, everyone. What can be the answer? A retail business model is based on what? Different products, different service, geographies, different markets. So it is based on what? It is based on dash in geography based approach. Dash. Now this dash you have to fill in. Think over it. Everyone think over it. Think. Answer is very simple. It seems to be there. Okay, it is geographies. Correct. In yesterday we covered some different approaches, segmented approach, then geography based approach, then departmental approach. I gave some one liners for you also. So follow that completely, everyone. Okay. That's why I'm saying follow the series completely. Because what happens if you start from the middle, you won't get the grip. Some topics we cover in this class, some topics we cover in other class. Something important comes up, then we cover it in wherever we can. So that's why you have to follow the complete series. Okay. So the answer over here is geographies. Okay. Retail business model is based on geographies in geography based approach. Second one, where strategies of retail banking are built on the basis of type of the branch, such as rural, semi-urban, urban, metro. Such approach is called as this also I had cleared it. Segmented, geography based, classification based, any of these. Now think over it. This is what you need to think. Everyone think over it. What do you say? Think for some time, yeah. What is it you are getting? What is the answer for this? Yes. The answer for this is built on the basis of rural, semi-urban. You have these branches in your banks also, right? Do you have the branches in your banks? Means you have semi-urban branch, you have urban branch. We all have these branches. In mainly nationalized banks, we have this concept of semi-urban, urban, right? So this approach is called as what? Segmented, geography-based, classification-based. Just now I gave you the example of geography-based, right? I gave you the example of geography-based. So what was the answer? Geography-based means what? It will be based on geography. Means what? I'm having the branch in Maharashtra, I'm having the branch in J&K, I'm having the branch in Punjab, Haryana, MP. This is geography based. Segmented means what? Depending on the customer segment. I'm having a NRI branch, I'm having a MSME branch. This is segmented. Classification means what? This is the real answer. Classification means rural, semi-urban, urban means as we differentiate between the branches, this is the urban branch, this is a semi-urban branch. So this becomes the answer. Okay. So classification based approach where the branches are of the type rural, semi-urban, urban, metro, it is called as classification type. Okay. Next one. Which of the following business models, business approach for retail banking is found in public sector banks? Now which approach is found in public sector? Now you will get confused over here. Okay. Now look at this. Segmented approach, geography based approach, classification based approach, and holistic model based on the corporate objective. This is corporate objectives of the retail business. Okay. So which approach is used by public sector banks? Many of you will get confused over here. Okay. Many of you will get confused over here. Get the answer for this. Yeah. What do you think should be the answer? Many of you will get, I'll tell you what will you do. Many of you will write. I'll tell you, you'll write classification based. Okay. You'll write classification based, but that is not the answer. Think over it. Huh? Got the answer? What is the answer for this here? Public sector banks, we generally feel that it is classification based, urban, semi-urban, rural, but it's not that. The real answer is this. Holistic model based on the corporate objectives for the retail banking. See, corporate objectives. This is very important. Nowadays, even public sector banks have changed. You've seen the shares of public sector banks now in the stock market, hugely up. Why? Because they have changed. They've changed the model. Earlier, we had this model of classification based, geography based, everything we had it in our banks. Geography based also we added, classification based also we added, but now we are coming up out of all these and now we are moving towards this holistic model based on the corporate objectives for retail business. So corporate objectives are important. What are corporate objectives? Corporate objectives means where I want my bank to be in coming years. What should be my net profit? That is my corporate objective. Based on that, I'll change my classification, I change my geography based. Wherever I want the branches are not working, so I'll shift those branches, right? Wherever I want there is a semi-urban branch, but there are a lot of urban customers coming over there. I'll shift it from semi-urban to urban. Okay, so it can happen anything depending on the corporate objectives. These are very important corporate objectives. Okay. Chalo, let's move on. Which of the following business approach for retail banking is followed in the new private sector banks? Now, new private sector. Segmented, geography based, classification based, and mix of segment and classification. So what is the answer for this? Think over it. Now, new private sector banks means which banks are we talking of? We are not talking of this Karnataka Bank or Karur Vysya Bank, Federal Bank. These banks were all formed before 1991. Those banks which are formed after 1991, after that Narsimham Committee report. Remember, 1991 Narsimham Committee report was one of the game changers in banking system. It changed the whole approach of banking. Earlier, the banks were dominated, means mainly almost 99% all the banks were nationalized banks only. They were dominating the game. But in 1991, Narsimham Committee gave the report that the banking needs to be changed. For that, new private sector banks came in. In 1994, these banks came in generally. Some came in somewhere earlier also, but generally 1994 these banks came in. So these banks, when they came in, they changed the whole scenario of banking. Now all we see that online banking, everything, we are moving, shifting more towards this app banking now, right? Why is it? Because of the competition given by these private sector banks, right? So now, which of the following business approach for retail banking is followed by these new private sector banks? So what should be the answer over here? Is it segmented? Do they have NRI branches, MSME branches? Do they have classification based, means rural, semi-urban? What do they have? Think over it, think. Yes, think over it, everyone. What should be the answer for this? Private sector. Anyone amongst you is in private sector banks? New private sector, or you can say Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, or old private sector banks, means Federal Bank, Karur Vysya Bank. Okay. So what is the answer for this? Yes. The answer is mix. Remember, it's a mix. They always follow the mixed approach. New private, this Indian private sector banks. Okay. Next one. Which of the following constitutes the basic structure of retail banking as per the recent trends? So constitutes the basic structure. Structure means what do we sell? Which one do we sell now? What do we sell? Do we sell retail assets only? Do we sell retail asset and liabilities? Do we sell liability and third party products only? Or do we sell retail asset, retail liability and third party products? This is quite simple one. So you should be able to answer this, right? What do you think should be the answer? Very simple one. Think, let me get the answer from your side. Let me get the answer from your side, everyone. So what is the answer? Everyone, yes, what is the answer? What should be the answer? Think over it. Simple one, isn't it? Don't you sell insurance today? Your main job is insurance selling now. Means many of the bankers tell me that we are less of the bankers and more of the insurance sellers. Right? Everyone is selling insurance only today. Insurance. I go to the bank for FD. I come out with insurance. I go to the bank for savings. I come out with insurance. I go to the bank for depositing the cash. I come out with insurance. That's the same. So it is what? All of these three: retail assets, retail liability, and third party. What is retail asset? Asset means what? Asset is a loan for the bank. So loans are the assets for the bank. Liability means what? Deposit, saving, current, FD. And third party means what? This third party means those products like insurance, mutual fund, or broking accounts. There are many. There are factoring. There are others as well. So there are certain credit cards of other banks. So these are all the basic structures of today's banking. Means today we do the selling of all these three products: retail assets, liabilities, and third party. So the answer is D over here. D. Okay, answer is D. Got it, everyone? Answer is D. Next one. Liability products offered. Liability products offered to the customers in the following three forms. So liability means what? Deposit. Okay, deposit products. So deposits are offered in what form? Savings account. Third party products means insurance, mutual fund, term deposits. Second is savings account, current account, and term deposit. Saving account, current account, third party product. Okay, third party products. And current account, third party products, and term deposits. So what should be the answer? Now this is quite simple. You must be able to know this because we all have passed the entrance while coming to the banks, right? So we all must know this answer. What do you think? Yeah. What do you think all? Yeah. It is? Correct. We are here talking of only banking products. Only banking. So saving, current, and FD. This is the only answer. Third party product is not a banking product. So this doesn't come under liability. Here also third party. Here also third party. These products are not under liability product. These are not core banking products. Core banking products are only three: saving, current, FD, in deposits, and in loans, any type of loan which we give. Okay. Next one. The following has become the generic feature of savings bank account in recent years. Generic means what? Common feature. Common means what? So what? Common feature means so what? Means if I tell any customer I am giving ATM card, so what? If I am giving debit card, so what? Credit card, so what? Multi-city check, so what? It's nothing new. Okay. So that is generic feature. Suppose if I tell you sun rises in the east, you'll say, so what? I know it. Okay. Bank gives the loan products, so what? It's a generic feature. So the point over here is generic means whatever is common. You can't differentiate yourself. You can't differentiate yourself. So that is the generic feature. Okay. So which are the generic features? ATM card, debit card, credit card, multi-city checks. It is A to D, all of them have become the generic features now. Nothing is new. Credit card is also done. Every bank is giving all these products: ATM card, debit card, credit card, multi-city checks. Everyone is giving the same, isn't it? Next one. To increase the earning potential of a savings bank balances, okay, the following facilities are offered by the banks. So what are the facilities? Sweep, add-on life policies, add-on group health policies, and all of the above. To increase the earning potential of savings bank account means what? If I have more balances in my savings bank, then I'll earn more. Why? Because savings bank is a low cost deposit, saving and current, both. Low cost deposit. Why? Because we don't give any interest on current. On saving, we give hardly 3.5 to 4%, right? So that's why we have to earn a lot on the savings bank account. So which facilities are available? Sweep, add-on life, add-on group health, and all of those. So answer is correct. All of the above. Everything is allowed. What is sweep? I'll cover that later. We are having a separate topic on that. Okay. This you already know. Add-on group life policies, add-on group health policies. Liability product differentiation is very thin in different bank, but the following factors distinguish the product from one bank to another. So liability product means what? Saving current FD. Now saving current FD is common, you go anywhere. Saving is saving, current is current, FD is FD. Let it be any bank. Okay. So what differentiates? Number one, technology and delivery, process and delivery, technology and process only, technology, process and delivery, all. So the answer is simple, isn't it? All, right? Now, see this, to enable the customer to partially withdraw the term deposit without disturbing the entire amount and the resultant loss, the bank provides offer no penalty FDRs. Here, what are we doing? Partially withdraw. We are not closing the FD over here. Offer no penalty FDR. Inject an unfixed component in the fixed deposit. Offer an overdraft facility and all of the above. All of us tend to give the answer all of the above. But the answer is not that. We want partially withdraw. Okay, the term deposit. So partially withdraw without disturbing the entire term deposit. So in that case, partially withdrawing. If I offer no penalty FDR means what? The customer will be able to withdraw all the FDs. He'll be withdrawing full FD. Okay. So that is also one thing. Or even the customer can withdraw the partial FDs also, because I have seen that also. Suppose if 1 lakh FD I want only 40,000. Customer will withdraw 40,000, make another FD for 60,000. Inject an unfixed component. So that is also injected. And offer an overdraft. So the answer will be actually all of the above, right? So before going, let me show you how to join the batches. Okay. Importantly, remember, you have this Mahapack, JAIIB Mahapack, plus you have JAIIB plus bank promotion Mahapack. Okay. Plus you have the batches also. Join this Achievers Foundation batch, English. Okay. So click on this Achievers Foundation batch over here. Click, you will see the details. 75% off going on. DC 75 code. Apply it. Okay. How to apply it? Click on buy now. Fill in the details here. Enter the coupon code. It's already applied over here. DC 75. Now you can apply one more code, that is Y432. This code is very important. This will give you higher discount. Look at this. Right now you are getting 75% off. So click on apply Y432. You are getting 77%. So 2% extra you are getting. And if you do it through the app, then you'll have 1% extra using the coin systems. So that's why use this app and this code Y432. Okay. Now same code will be applicable for your this Mahapack also, JAIIB Mahapack 2.0, or you can buy the combined Mahapack, JAIIB plus bank promotion combined Mahapack. Okay, anything you can buy. So I'll show you bank promotion combined because it's 2-in-1 offer. So here you are getting JAIIB plus bank promotion and 75% off. Plus now if again I'll tell you, you apply this code. What was the code? Y432. Click on apply. 77 you are getting again. Okay. So apply this code Y432 and you will get higher discounts. Okay. What all do you get in this? See this. 6 months, 12 months, 3 months validity. Three validities are here. You get ebooks as well. Ebooks. Click on these ebooks. You will get subject wise ebooks. Click on this subject, any subject. You will get chapter wise ebooks. Similarly for test also, you will get subject wise and chapter wise test. So you can view that. So that's why I would suggest join this JAIIB plus bank promotion. Or even if you are not going for bank promotion right now, join this only JAIIB Mahapack. Okay, that is also possible. So JAIIB Mahapack, or you can join the single batch. If you want only a single batch, you can join the single batch. All of the options are available. Various tenures are available: 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So you can join those. Okay. So I'll be back tomorrow with another